if your hotspot on Google Pixel 11 does not work properly on other devices, let me show you what you can do to fix this. So essentially, you want to go to Settings and then proceed to Network and Internet. In here, you should be able to find Hotspot and Tethering, and here we can go to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Now, in order to the easiest way to connect to a hotspot is by using a QR code. So if the hotspot is activated, you can tap on this QR code icon right next to the hotspot name. And then on another device, we can scan this Wi-Fi QR code in order to connect to our hotspot immediately without the need to look for the network and without the need to enter the password. And of course, besides that, if, for example, even scanning the QR code doesn't help, what you can do is you can change the speed and compatibility. This is usually the reason why your hotspot might not work on other devices, or why it might not be detectable on other devices. So in this case, you want to simply switch the frequency to the one that is below. Let's say if you use 6 GHz, you want to switch to 5 GHz and then see if that helps. And if it still doesn't help, you can switch to 2.4 GHz. The last option, the 2.4 GHz option pretty much ensures that every device can connect to your hotspot. As a result, your hotspot will not be as fast as when using 6 GHz, of course. But if a device does not support 6 GHz frequency, then naturally your hotspot will not be usable on that device, or not even detectable. So of course you want to probably change that. And usually this is all you need to do in order to fix your hotspot problems. But besides that, I can also recommend you checking out the hotspot password. You might need to set up something simpler just to make sure that there is no problem with the password. And besides that, if your hotspot is detectable, but for example, the connection is not working properly, maybe the access to the internet is not really that great, then you want to make sure that your access to the internet is of course good enough. I mean, you are, after all, sharing the access to the internet, so if the internet doesn't work properly on that other device, then it probably doesn't work well on your device as well. So you want to probably solve that too, if that is the case. Leave a like and subscribe.